If all of the kings had their queens on the throne, we would pop champagne and raise a toast to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we are going to all be queens and we are going to be reviewing this one. I know is a little late, but we are going to be reviewing the P.Louise Watch the Queen Conquer palette. I love this palette. I love the aesthetic of it so much, and I'm just really like, I just had to review it. I know it's a little late, but it literally opens up like a chessboard in the middle. So cute. And then the one side has these colors. I know, oh my god, like gorgeous. And then the other side has these colors. You can't go wrong. So without further ado, we're gonna dive right into that. I'm also going to be reviewing the Duo Drops by P.Louise. I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. I think this is her little way of showing like her duochrome type of jelly type of shadows. Very pretty. They look very pigmented, so we shall try that out. I also have a new Velvet Trap from Jeffree Star's show. And then I just am trying this new brand, Alamar Cosmetics, and they had some really pretty like liquid lip balms. So I'm going to be trying this one out as well. Very gorgeous. So without further ado, let us queens dive into this palette. This is giving me like the Queen's Gambit vibes so bad. I also have this beautiful queenly mirror. So without further ado, once again, here we go. Alright, so we're going to go into one of these purple colors. I haven't decided yet. I have a whole look picked out that I really like, so I'm just going to try it out. I don't know who the artist is, but I really like how she did it and what she did, so we're going to go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. I'm very excited, so here goes nothing. P.Louise has this cut crease thing I'm going to try to use. I really like it. It's kind of like an emollient type of petroleum jelly or something, but it kind of just erases the cut crease, which I like. It makes it a lot easier to get rid of. Literally called a cut crease eraser. Kind of. Bright pink in there, so I'm probably just gonna take like that color there, put that in there. Fun and Games is what it's called. I love all the names. Okay, buffing the purple out a little bit more. I guess I just decided I'm going to use the mirror over here, so that's what we're gonna do. I like it better. Getting Euphoria vibes a little bit, which is fine. I'm okay with that. Alright, so we're gonna do some little P.Louise base. I always like the white for intense looks because it makes it a little extra intense, if you know what I mean. So, like that color. Alright, just to show you guys a little bit more of what I did. This so far is what it looks like. Just carving everything out really good. Trying to make it look as nice as possible. And I'm gonna just buff the top a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of like this, sorry, heavy, this beautiful color right here on like my brow bone at the top here because I think that would look really pretty. Alright, time to play with some more colors. Are we all ready? Let me zoom back out so it's not so creepy. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put like a really light pink in here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Guys, this color is just so gorgeous. That's the color. Alright, so she has a little bit more of this pink in here, so I'm going to use this Game Over pink right there. And just kind of like lightly go in here. What do we think so far? Getting queen vibes yet? And underneath, I'm going to incorporate, like on my waterline and where my eyeliner would go, I'm going to incorporate one of these colors. I just haven't decided which one yet. This one right here. That's a pretty color.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. I like your shop.
Yes. Alright, so then in like this little corner right in here, I'm gonna use this color down here because that is just absolutely gorgeous.
Today I found out what I want. It's everything I never had. It's been a lifetime feeling sad, feeling sorry for the things that might make you mad. But I'm back, who's back? You went in and sorry. All you do is make people around you damn worry. I know it might sound just a little bit corny. Now I know.
What do we think? So freaking gorgeous. So guys, you want to talk about a monochromatic moment with this color. I'm just gonna like put some on my finger because everything is so pigmented in this palette. And look, that's the color I'm using. Okay, so I just used a little bit of this darker brown color right there. to do like a liner underneath my eyes, so that's how they have it right here. So I'm gonna quick line my eyes and use my Glamnetics eyelashes. These are the ones in Lucky. I've used these before, they're really good. So I'm gonna do that, and I've already got my eyebrows done and things like that. I might touch up a little bit on it. Oh yeah, there is an eyeliner. There is a liner I want to use. I think I'm gonna use one of these Duo Drops in this color. Look how pretty that is. That's what her Duo Drops, the P.Louise Duo Drops, look like. I'll show you guys colors of each one. So there's that one. That's the one I want to use. Got this one. Swatches like that. Like a green brown. Very pretty. Definitely a beautiful color for summer. So pretty, like a mermaid. Gorgeous. It's like a bronze moment. Can't say that won't look really pretty out in sun, like at a resort or something. That would look so gorgeous. So that's gorgeous. Alright guys, I'm gonna do my mascara. I have this one that I've never opened yet. It's the Idôle Lash Idôle from Lancome in glossy black. Always really liked Lancome, so I'm going to go ahead and do my little lashes. Actually didn't do bad at all. Okay, so while that's drying, I can go ahead and do my lips. So this is just the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner. It's okay. And then like I said, I got the new trap, one of the new Velvet Trap formulas from Jeffree Star. This is called Holy Fashion. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. Can't go wrong with that really pretty classic pink color. So beautiful. Look at that color. Now that is just gorgeous. And then I also, oh, for any of you that didn't realize this is like literally a magnet. I just love that. Okay. Anyway, and I did tell you guys I was going to show you the Alamar lip gloss that I got from a brand Alamar. It's very pretty. This is what it looks like. It's like definitely that rose gold vibes. And put that over top. lashes are on. Like I said, these are called Lucky from Glamnetic, so they are really, really beautiful. The look done and complete. I really like it. I think it's so gorgeous. And I've already sprayed my face, made sure that it was all ready and set. But yeah, this is all the different facets of the makeup and all of the different things of this palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, I will show you everything. And then a game board. But yeah, I'm gonna show more close-up looks and different lighting, but I really, really, really loved the makeup. It is such good pigments. It stays on. It's definitely worth your money. And yeah, this is it, guys. If you like this content, if you like these types of tutorials and learning about new makeup and different makeup or different looks, then just give me a subscribe and give me a like, and go ahead and watch my videos. And I shall see you next time.